Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the Bank of Albuquerque app to see with what you're using. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about the Bank of Albuquerque, the Bank of Albuquerque app gives customer a full mobile banking experience with features like balance check, transfer through Zelle, bills payment, mobile check deposit, and card control. It's designed for convenience with real-time access to account and the ability to manage finance securely from anywhere, which make it a solid option for everyday banking need. On the downside, users have reported reliability issues after update, including fingerprint login features, crashes, and glitches with mobile deposit. This platform can make the convenience frustrating at times. In my opinion, the Bank of Albuquerque app is still worth using, especially if you are a customer looking for a rich feature mobile banking tools, but expect occasional hiccup with stability. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.